Hi guys, welcome to C2C Mentors. Today let's have a look at what are things that we are supposed to do and things that we are not supposed to do on the D-Day as far as CAT is concerned. Now, first of all, if you are in the morning slot, then yes, you are supposed to reach there by 7:30 a.m. So that's the reporting time for you. So this is going to be slot number 1, this is going to be slot number 2. And if you are somebody who is getting into the slot 2, then you are supposed to be there around about 1 p.m. Take care of these things, this is quite important. Okay, PWD candidates will be given 20 minutes extra for each section. So this is again something that you guys need to note down if you fall in that category. Now, admit cards are quite compulsory. You have to print your admit card. So admit card bhul mat jana, right? So try to get the admit card ka print, which is going to help you a lot. Fine. And also try to locate your centers. By now, I'm very sure that you guys must have done that. Let's move ahead. Okay. This is what the ID card, the admit card requirements are. A4 size paper, preferably using a laser printer. Admit card is valid only if the candidate's photograph and signature images are legibly printed. This is something really important. So you guys need to, take care of this. Okay. Use the Google Map link. This is a cool thing because you can see the the location link given there on your admit card. So there is no chance that you can actually get into the wrong center and all that. So yeah, do follow that. Deposit all the personal belongings. So whatever that you are carrying with you, right, all the belongings needs to be deposited by you once you reach to the center. Now moving ahead, again, use the reference number printed on the admit card. Okay, this is must. What else is there? Okay, if any help is required, you can speak to the invigilator who's there at the center. And attendance is compulsory, so do not forget to give your attendance when you are at the center. Moving ahead, what do we have? These are the don'ts that we are not supposed to do, like quite critical and important. Okay, so if you're in the morning slot, 8:45 ke baad, you will not be given entry. So you please be there on the time. Likewise, for the afternoon slot, 2:15 p.m. ke baad, you cannot ask for the entry. But again, adhere to the timelines. If it's 7:30 in the morning, has to be 7:30, and if it's 1 p.m. in the afternoon, has to be 1 p.m. 5 minutes here and there, that's fine, but should not be late than this. Do not carry any prohibited items such as electronic gadgets inside the exam lab. Okay. Cheating ka to sawal hi nahi hota. Nobody will do that. Do not involve yourself in argument with any other candidate. This is something little important because we might get into the arguments with people. I'll explain that in different video altogether, but this is something big no. Moving ahead, what are the things you are not supposed to carry? Okay, bio break nahi milega, so take care of that. You can take your relatives or friends along with you, but then they have to wait outside. That's okay. Change of the test center is not allowed anyway. That's there's no doubt about that. Do not wear any jewelry, jackets, footwear inside the exam lab. Do not use mobile phones, electronic gadgets, watches, calculators, own stationery items, wallets or goggles. So simple si baat hai, keep it very simple. If you are carrying, let's say if you're wearing, try to avoid jewelry and all that stuff. But then if you're carrying, do not even use this metal stuff, right? If you are wearing anything, then you will have to deposit that before you actually hit the exam hall. So take care of this. Try to avoid jackets and all that. So try to carry minimum stuff with you so you don't have to have hassle on the D-Day. Okay, writing pads will be given, but it will be one per candidate. Okay, and it will be given to you once. So you got to use it very carefully. Now let's have a look at the flow. So this is the flow. Arrive at the center, verify the identification, locate the lab, double verification of the documents, mark the attendance, follow the biometrics, locate your PC, log in and confirm your profile, read the instructions before you start with your exam, and then you can go ahead and you can kickstart with your exam. So these are the things that you need to keep in your mind. Reach on time, follow the Google map, do not carry things which are not supposed to be carried by you, which is mentioned out there. Admit card is the most important thing, having a good photograph on it and the signature on it. Do carry identity proof also, that's again important. Now some of the students say that, sir, my signature on the admit card is not that visible, right? In that case, I would advise you to carry kind of the ID proof wherein you have your signature quite visible, right? So trying to do that. So these are the couple of most important things. So do take care of all these things and do not try to miss on any of the things. That's it from my side, guys. Thank you so much.